Welcome to my channel Vincent's Culinary Art. I am back with my second video. In this video, I will make a couple of creative flowers with turnip and beetroot. So let's begin. Peel off the beetroot first. Now you have to cut out rose petals one by one like this. So, like this beetroot flower, you can use for the cold cut platter, or otherwise you can use for the flower base. And now I am going to put this use of this green onion like a stem, the flower stem. See this. Now I am going to make this flower with this turnip. Once again, peel off the turnip. To make the turnip flower, you have to use this kind of tools and carve layers into the turnip like this. flower. Isn't it beautiful? And this one also you can use for the same like beetroot flower with a cold cut platter and flower base. And this one also you can make a stem with the green onion. You can make the stem also with this flower. You can make a base for this blue flower also. See this. So if you want, you can make this flower to yellow color also. See this, I dip into the yellow color. So these were my flower carvings for this video. Many more to come. For that, please subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.